Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular cameras in the market, the Canon EOS M200 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. We'll be evaluating these cameras in different categories to help you make an informed decision. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's get started. Starting with the price, the Canon EOS M200 is priced at $649, while the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes in at $698. Both cameras offer great value for their price range. When it comes to autofocus, the Canon EOS M200 features fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 MP APS-C exmor CMOS sensor and fast Bions X processor for precise and reliable autofocus. In terms of image quality, the Canon EOS M200 incorporates a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, capturing stunning details and vibrant colors. Similarly, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 utilizes a 24.2 MP APS-C exmor CMOS sensor for high-quality images with rich dynamic range. Moving on to additional features, the Canon EOS M200 includes a combination tripod grip and remote control, perfect for capturing stable shots remotely. It also supports 4K video recording and time-lapse movie, along with vertical video capabilities. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 offers a product showcase setting that transitions focus from face to object, allowing you to highlight specific subjects easily. It also has a dedicated background defocus button for quickly toggling the defocus effect on or off. Additionally, it supports easy live streaming with a single USB cable, eliminating the need for extra hardware or software. And that's our comparison of the Canon EOS M200 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. Both cameras have their own strengths and are suitable for different types of users. It's important to consider your photography or videography needs before making a decision. We hope this video helped you in your research. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.